LIDAR light detection and ranging is a new solution provided by Videoworks. The key benefit of this solution provides 3D alarm area, moving background with no effect, privacy compliant, small and non-moving parts, edge technology. The LIDAR technology scan about 180,000 measurements per second in high-quality data in various lighting and weather conditions, detect potential security breaches and detect intruders in real time, guarantees lower false alarm rate and preventing alarm fatigue. Virtual fences around physical spaces enable yacht to secure a perimeter without an actual fence by monitoring the movement of people and objects with high accuracy. The LIDAR security system captures precise 3D data. It doesn't visualize images like dressing, undressing, face detection, etc. It doesn't require it to be online. It offers integrated web interface. The alarm is generated on board. LIDAR, light detection and ranging, is a new solution provided by Videoworks. Live the best and safe onboard experience.